Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and Dlaminis in June. On the first week on Monday, Velepi finds herself on a rankless quest. Samke messed with the wrong one. Boosie worms her way into Sibongile's heart. On Tuesday, Velepi attracts hungry lions. Though Peteni is here to have his and she refuses to let go of the life she has built. Tina is caught red-handed with the forbidden fruit. On Wednesday, Kwenzo decides to help Stanley and lift him out of poverty against Njengaya's wishes. Sangweni returns and turns Vuma and Samke's world upside down to help Velepi. Nelisiwe walks into something scandalous. On the second week, on Monday, Peteni isn't happy when she learns that Sibongile is the one who has been supporting Kwenzo to challenge the family. The search for Velepi and Sangweni comes to an end with a serious ultimatum. On Tuesday, will all the obstacles force Velepi to give up on what matters most? Welcomed attention gives Tulisile hope, but Pagamani has ulterior motives. On Wednesday, when the winner is announced for the award Kwenzo is nominated for, Kwenzo takes a bold stand against injustice in traditional court. The Induna must listen to as much information available before he can decide about Velepi. On the third week on Monday, the Dlaminis world is turned upside down when they are implicated in an unexpected scandal. Meanwhile, Nomfundo stokes the fire by unwittingly revealing sensitive information to an untrustworthy confidante. Mavis is concerned how the Dlaminis media storm will affect her Chakalaka queen reputation. On Tuesday, Samke appears at Velepi's doorstep with a chilling message. Will Velepi ever see Mangoba again? Pagamani, head over heels in love, makes promises that he plans to keep in his way. On Wednesday, the elders gather and have a verdict about what the future holds for Velepi and Mangoba, but Velepi stuns them all. The strife in the Dlamini family reaches new heights, and the battle between Jengaya and Kwenzo comes to a head. On the fourth week on Monday, Sibongile learns that her dream of completing her studies is in danger. Mavis wants Peteni to remember who she is. Pagamani and Trina skate on thin ice. On Tuesday, Vuma attempts to put his family back into place, but it's a fragile effort with Samke pulling him to one side and his kids to the other. Sibongile grieves the betrayal of a friend and her perilous academic position. On Wednesday, Sibongile writes a heartfelt letter stating her case of why she should not be expelled from Varsity. Samke tells Vuma that she is feeling like a third wheel in her own marriage because of the kids. On the fifth week on Monday, a dark cloud hangs over Sibongile and Kwenzo as their plans start falling apart. After falling in love with the photograph, when Zane puts a plan in motion to get into the same room as the young man she crushes on. Thank you guys for watching.